Back in 2023, the original bridge was deemed unsafe. The fall of 23, we had quite a rainstorm here, and it washed the bridge. It went down into the head wall. For the last couple of years, we were just trying to put this project together, come up with a plan how to do it, how to get the materials out here. This past winter, I applied for the Regional Impact Train to come to North Dakota to help us to bring the materials out there necessary to build the new bridge.
My name's Alex Menard. I'm the Recreation Program Manager for the Dakota Prairie Grasslands. The coolest thing about this is we got the pack string here. It's been 20 plus years since they've been out here on the Dakota Prairie Grasslands, and they're going to be a huge help for getting this bridge done.
My name is Shannon Straight. I'm the Executive Director of the Badlands Conservation Alliance, and I'm the Field Crew Director for the Badlands Conservation Corps. For us to have some cool collaboration with the Forest Service, the National Park Service, the tribal partnership that we have, it's an exciting time.
A lot of these areas are non-motorized areas, so you can't drive your UTV or a vehicle back there. I thought it'd be pretty easy solution to our problem versus try to gather mechanical equipment, try to get out there, and less impact on the environment.
For us, it's telling a story that we need people to come out and not just experience this landscape, but for people to be involved. These are your public lands, and we want to all be stewards of our public lands, and this is the time where we need people to get involved, volunteer. That's an exciting thing for us, and obviously having a bridge that's been out for a couple of years, it's important just for the recreation user and the enthusiasts that love this landscape.
The Maah Daah Hey is a national recreational trail. We have a lot of youth and backpackers and mountain bikes, so it's a pretty important resource that we have in the Badlands of North Dakota.
We've had a closure order in place for this section of trail for about 2 years. So getting this completed and getting the materials and stuff back there with the pack string is going to finally open it up.
We thank the Forest Service bringing in the mule train. That's a cool once-in-a-lifetime experience to be a part of something like this. I think we're laying a solid foundation, not just for the BCC, but for our AmeriCorps field crew members to have an understanding of the way of life, the challenges, and also they can make an impact. I especially want to thank Strengthen ND. They're kind of our partner in our AmeriCorps field crew to get it established, and without them, we wouldn't even exist. So we say thank you wholeheartedly to Strengthen ND. It's a pleasure.